Looking for an Ethernet cable that delivers lightning-fast, reliable connections without the hassle? This Cat6 Ethernet cable promises exactly that, with 100% pure copper wiring that supports multi-gigabit speeds up to 10 gigabits per second over distances up to 160 feet. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or managing a busy office network, you get error-free performance that keeps your data flowing smoothly. What really sets this cable apart is its support for Power over Ethernet, PoE. Thanks to 24 Aruban fluorines stranded copper conductors and UL-rated wiring, it can safely deliver up to 100 watts to power devices like VoIP phones and security cameras. Plus, it meets IEEE 802.3bt standards, which means it reduces cable heating and enhances overall reliability, so your devices stay powered without interruption or risk. Durability matters when it comes to network gear, and this cable doesn't disappoint. It's ETL and UL certified, with 50-micron gold-plated connectors that resist rust and corrosion. That means fewer network failures and less downtime. The high-quality PVC jacket also stands up to bending and fraying, making it ideal for tight spaces or tricky installations. Installation is a breeze, too. The 4-foot snagless patch cord design lets you plug and unplug without worrying about damaging the connectors. It's fully compatible with Cat5e and earlier standards, so you can upgrade your setup without replacing everything. Molded boots help fit the cable into constrained spaces, giving you flexibility where it counts. If you've ever had to route Ethernet cables through walls or tight spots, you know how important durability and flexibility are. This cable held up perfectly under similar conditions, with no damage to the connectors or the cable itself, even when a little extra force was needed. That kind of resilience means you get a cable that works as hard as you do. If that's you, someone who needs dependable, fast, and easy to install Ethernet wiring, this Cat6 cable is worth a look. It's built to keep your network running smoothly and your devices powered, all without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your connection with confidence.